Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Ritu Mohan and welcome you all on my YouTube channel Communication for Success. My today's video is about how we can use other words instead of using very. Whenever we want to describe something, we want to praise something, we want to criticize something, in our day to day communication, we use very a lot of times. So, here are some words that can be used instead of using very. Let us start. If you want to say very bright, we can say dazzling, radiant, intense. In place of very caring, we can say compassionate, kind, sympathetic. In place of very gentle, we can say courteous, cultured, or mannerly. Very clean, we can use spotless, stainless, or shiny. For very beautiful, we can use gorgeous, stunning, magnificent. For very angry, we can use furious, enraged, fuming. For very aware, we can use conscious, savvy, cognizant. If you want to say very bad, we can say awful, rotten, miserable. If you want to say very clear, we can use the words transparent, glassy, crystal. For something that is very cold, we can use frigid, icy, glacial. In place of very colorful, we can use vibrant, vivid, variegated. For very confident, we can use poised, self assured, self reliant. For very confused, we can say baffled, clueless, dazed. If you want to say very cute, we can say adorable, endearing, charming. For very dangerous, we can use perilous, unsafe, decay. For very dark, we can say inky, ebony, sooty. For very different, we can say unusual, distinctive, dissimilar. To a thing that is very difficult, we can use complicated, complex, and demanding. To a very dirty thing, we can use filthy, foul, grimy. And when something is very dry, we can use arid, parched, dehydrated. For a very easy thing, we can use effortless, uncomplicated, unchallenging. Very educational, enlightening, edifying, informative. For very emotional, we can use demonstrative, sensitive, temperamental. And for a very exciting thing, we can use electrifying, thrilling, breathtaking. For a very expensive thing, we can say costly, overpriced, extravagant. For a very faithful thing or person, we can say loyal, devoted, stalwart. And when we want to use the word very familiar, we can use common, established, typical. In place of very famous, we can use renowned, eminent, celebrated. For very far, we can use distant, remote, isolated. For very fast, we can use rapid, blistering, and supersonic. For a thing that is very funny, we can use hilarious, hysterical, rollicking. If you want to say very good, we can say superb, excellent, outstanding. And for very happy, we can use overjoyed, euphoric, blissful. For a very hard thing, we can use inflexible, steely, rigid. Very helpful can be said as supportive, obliging, accommodating, very hungry, starving, famished, voracious. For a very important thing or matter, we can use the word crucial, vital, paramount, very impressive, extraordinary, remarkable, awe inspiring. In place of very interesting, we can use fascinating, remarkable, compelling. I will sum up with the word that we mostly use in our day to day communication, that is very stupid. So we can say idiotic in place of very stupid. Well, these were some words that we can use in our day to day communication when we want to use the word very. I hope these words have enriched your vocab. I'll be back with a new video related with vocab itself. Till then, be safe, be healthy, be kind, and be vegetarian, please. Thank you.